Efficient airflow, 380 CFM removes smells and odors with ease for a clean kitchen, only 6.5 dB max noise level, duct range hood vents outside and away from your home, optional carbon filter kit available for ductless, purchase part number CFK1 trademark, built with cutting-edge technology and with the utmost of care, Cosmo brings you beautiful premium range hoods at an affordable price. Expect cooking and cleaning experiences that make life easier, brighten up your kitchen, and protect your health. Superior filtration, Cosmo ARC-FLOW Permanent Filters are dishwasher safe and extremely durable. No need to replace these filters, simply drop in the dishwasher for easy maintenance and cost savings. Energy saving lights, the energy efficient, 2-watt LEDs are long-lasting and provide bright, high-lumen lighting for better visibility at NIGHT 5-year limited parts. Our customer support team is based proudly in the USA. Product dimensions, 29.3 W, x 23.1 D, x adjustable 23.5, 42.2,